Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to convert Excel date format, such as this one, to day of week format, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Now, in Excel, there's a weekday function that allows you to convert from date to day of week. But it's quite messy because not only will you need to enter the formula correctly using the correct syntax, but you will also need to do a VLOOKUP afterwards to convert it from 1, 2, 3 to Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So let me show you a quicker and simpler method using a custom date format. So first, let's select all the dates that you want to convert into day of week, and you can do that by pressing Shift, Control, and the down arrow, and it will select everything. Now go to number and then click on the number format arrow here. Okay, now in here, let's click on the last option, which is custom format. And the current date type is month, day, and year. But we don't want that, we want just day. So let's clear that and then type DDD. Basically, if you want Excel to convert it into short dates, for example, month, Tuesday, when, then type DDD 3 times. If you want Excel to convert from date to full day of week format, such as Monday and Tuesday, and just type 4D instead. Alright, so press OK, and that is done. Now, some of you might be thinking, okay, this is great, but I actually want to have the best of both worlds. I want to have the original Excel date format like this, and then I want to add another column with the corresponding day of week format. Now, how do we do that? Alright, so very simple, just press enter, C3. Okay, so we are going to create a duplicate column, and then for the second column, we'll just go to number format, go to custom, and then type DDDD. Okay, and that's it. You have the best of both worlds without any messy formula. So I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.